Yo, what's up? Wilma, Peruna, how's it going? Hope you're both well. What am I doing? Switching back to lo-fi beats. That's what I'm doing. Man, the DMCA stuff is crazy. 2020 has been pretty weird. Rockhart, what's up? How is it going? Hope you're having a great day. That's an understatement, I know. I don't think it's going to get much better in 2021. I think it's just going to be the sequel to 2020. Maybe just this entire decade. I don't think it's looking too good. Been up since 4 a.m. Oh my god. Couldn't sleep, so now I'm trying to get work done. I respect the hustle. Hopefully you'll be able to sleep well tonight. Catch up on that. The missed sleep. It will catch up to you eventually. I don't know if I should do... Maybe I will. Hold on, I need to do this thingy. This... There we go. Boom. Okay. What are we doing? We are working on a chat rank system. Well, it's not really a system. It's a custom API. Well, that's a lie as well. I already made the custom API like a year ago, but I never got around to distributing it because it's a bit of a pain to set up if you don't really know what you're doing. So that is what I am. I'm now making a client-side site for getting that rank system completed. And yeah, that's what I'm hoping to achieve. So last stream we got this site bit set up. Oh no, don't do this to me. Sometimes it highlights the element and it just doesn't unhighlight. So you can add stuff. Oh, obviously we still need to do the whole styling thing, but I'm saving that until later. You can enter the name of the rank. Right now there's no functionality for actually generating the link, but we'll get to that. And then you can delete specific ones. So I think this stream will focus on... What should we focus on? Something else. Is this like chat roles on Twitch? It's like, depending on the number of points you have a certain rank. So if you do exclamation rank, you'll be able to see it in action. So, but it's only with Stream Elements points, or I guess you could use points of any other system, technically. Hey, there you go. So depending on how many points you have, this is just a Streamlabs bot thing, I think. They have something similar like that, but then Stream Elements never really got around to adding a point system. So basically I just have a custom API that reads the number of points you have and then returns a value returns a role or whatever kind of rank you want depending on the number of points. That was all set up a while ago, but you kind of have to generate the link yourself. It's a bit convoluted looking, so I'm making a sort of a mini tool to make the process a bit easier. Blue Scarf, what's up? Hello. This is React, yes. Damn, I just saw Twitch tweet something about the whole VOD thing. That'll be interesting to go through later. Looks like they're apologizing for something. Also touched on the DMCA stuff. Ooh, this is going to be juicy. It's going to be another one of those hold us accountable type tweet things that they never really stick to. It'll be interesting to go through later. Is that React for overlays or extensions? I don't use React for my overlays, but it is something I want to look into doing because that might be quite fun to do. Nikki's Hideout, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. How are you? I have been wanting to look into using React for my extensions, overlays, but I haven't got around to doing that. I think it could be fun, maybe a fun challenge. My overlays are just done in regular HTML, JavaScript, CSS stuff. So it's just a web page. There's no framework or anything. Ender, how's it going? Hello. So yes, I'm making this site. To be honest, I don't really need React for this tool, but I thought it could be fun to practice while I'm doing it. And yeah, so hopefully we get that going. So let's see. I think we'll focus on the functionality of generating the link because that will probably be the most difficult bit. Styling should be okay. Nitro, thank you for the follow. Very kind of you. I did I've been streaming more for the last week or two, but I haven't put any going live tweets out. I thought I might just try one today because it was it's a fun project we're working on. I saw the stuff you did on YouTube. It's pretty great. Thank you. Yeah, I think it was a great idea to export all the VODs to YouTube. I kind of just use my YouTube as a archive of all the streams I've done over the last few years, and it's definitely interesting to see how my coding style has changed in that time. So it's nice to have that sort of bank of VODs if I can remember to export them. Because I still try to adhere to Twitch's thing about affiliates not being able to be on other platforms within 24 hours, but then sometimes I leave it for a day and then I forget. So they sometimes, some of them get lost, some of them have been taken down because of copyright or whatever. But so there's gaps sometimes, but it's whatever. No one listens to that. I know. I shouldn't really. I should just export it as soon as I'm done. That would probably be better. But nice music. Oh yeah, Harris Clutch. Looks like Twitch is admitting they effed up, expanding their DMCA tools to be similar to YouTube. Oh, interesting. I wonder if they'll have Content ID, because that would be a godsend. I mean, Content ID isn't perfect either, but it's so much more reasonable to have the well, I don't know, it's different. Live streaming and videos are a bit, yeah, I can see how there could be some trouble there, but I don't know, they definitely could have navigated it a lot better, so it'll be interesting to see what happens. I started using Lightstream for my console. I found out I can't use the triggers. Oh, because of, yeah. I think there have been 2 other people who have mentioned that in the Discord. So my recommendation was to get in touch with Lightstream. I know they've got on their roadmap the ability to add browser sources and custom stuff, so I would definitely get on that, because that would definitely open up the possibility of adding even more stuff to your streams. And I think the Stream Elements widget should work. It's the link isn't available, but there are lots of tutorials on YouTube I think still have the link somewhere, so you might be able to get that. It should still work. I don't remember though. Jen, what's up? Hello. How is it going? Should get some cuts to those videos on YouTube. Oh, like editing them or something? Possibly. I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing is like. I mean, I kind of just make stuff and sometimes I stream it. I don't know. It's not really something I think a lot of people would want to see. I haven't really done tutorials or anything either. I was thinking about it, but I don't think I'm really the right person for that. I'm not really the authority on making this kind of stuff. But who knows? Maybe in the future. They said we were as surprised as you guys at the amount of DMC claims. They just didn't care until it started impacting their finances. Yeah, definitely agree on that. They're trying to throw everyone under the bus and do as much damage control as they can, but in the process, I think they've just managed to piss everyone off. So, yeah. It'll be interesting to see if they can somehow come back from it. It's like 2 steps forwards, 2 steps back these days. Okay, let's see. So we do have this. We need to start generating the link. So the way it works is, let me actually disable the read-only bit. The link should come out. I guess it doesn't matter if I show what the link looks like at the moment, but it's something like api.thefirewire blah blah blah, and then it's something like and guest equals 100 and citizen equals 500 or something like that, and it just keeps adding them on. So I'll need to generate something like this, which should be fairly easy. The problem is, well, the first problem I can think of is some people will probably enter these out of order, so I'll need to sort those. That should be fairly easy though. So for example, when I click generate, I think that obviously this would need to go up there, so I'll need to rearrange the rows depending on values. Let's see how that goes. Let's see. So, let's see. Karocha, I don't know if I said your name correctly. Feel free to correct me if I didn't, but thank you for the follow. How are you? So let's do a breakdown of what we have so far. We have the main app, which is this. So that's this page. We have the ranks, which is all of this. And then we have the button, the generate button, which is this. Then we have the text area, which is where the output will go. And then what I want to do is when I click generate, take all of this output. Oh, that could be interesting actually. So I'll need to oh shoot. Would a state be good then? I think so. I think I'll need to add a kind of state system that I can use to generate the link, because otherwise I'm going to be trying to feed in data from the top and then try and get it back out from the bottom. That could be a hassle. But I did get my reducer set up last stream and I was pretty proud of that. Ooh. Okay, well, let's just do it. npm I easy peasy. We're gonna get our state set up and then we're gonna make that a thing. Thanks for great works. Thank you. Thanks for the nice words. It's too kind of you. What kind of stuff are you using at the moment? Is it Triggerfile? Or are you using other things? I'm just waiting for this to install. I kind of forgot how to implement it, so let me go find that. Easy peasy documentation. Oh no, have they updated the documentation? I think so. Alright, we got it installed. So what I want to do off the bat is create the folder for the store. No icon for that yet. Odd. And then I'm going to make a ranks store. So we'll say hold on. Let's see. Okay, so we have import create store from easy peasy. We have our rank. Ranks. Wait. Is this what I want? I don't know. Ranks. I don't think I need that surrounding object, do I? Add rank. Okay, so then I need an action here. So adding rank will give me an action which has a state and the rank. And then need state. Ranks push rank. I think looks like it makes sense. Trigger fire is fire. Sadly, I'm not good at listening English. No worries. I just said thank you, so thank you for using trigger fire. Mr. Rixer, hello. Back with the quacks. I have yet to add the honks, so we'll get the honks added at some point, and then there can be an all-out war between the goose and the duck. The geese army and the duck army. There will be a honk at some point. I need to find a good honk. That was just a test reward that I forgot to take out of the store, and now everyone's seen it, so I guess I can't get rid of it now. Yikes. State. Hang on. How do I want to do this? I need to be careful here. State equals state dot filter ranks rank. Oh, hang on. State dot ranks dot filter rank dot id doesn't equal id. Can I do that? I think that might be better. Like that. I have 1,000 more points to quack with. Oh no. I guess you're team quack then. Maybe I should build like a... Ooh, you know what would be fun to make? If I made like a bar, and then depending on which team you're on, team quack or team honk, the more times you quack, the more the quack bar fills up. Or like shift towards the quack side, and then maybe after like a couple streams we'll see who the winner is. I think quack would win, So actually there might not be any point to doing that, but that might just be a fun coding exercise. Ninny, what's up? Oh god, JavaScript. I know, right? Effing JavaScript. I don't need create store. Oh no. You're finally aware. It didn't sneak up on you. Oof. Export default ranks. I can do that, right? I think so. The cooldown gets you every time. I think, actually, I'm not going to say how long the cooldown is because that'll ruin it. Let's see. Now I need to export the store somehow. Wait. No. Import ranks from ranks. Const model. Const store ranks. I think. Export default store. I don't know. That looks right to me. Almost 3k. Nice. I can't remember when the next breakpoint is. I think it's 5,000. I mean, that was just a demo of the thing. I'll probably end up changing the names. They were just names that I grabbed from a Minecraft ranking system of a server that I was playing on at the time. Okay, so I have my store now, I think. So now I need to create the actual thing, which I think I do in index. Import from easy peasy. Create store. So what I do is I make a store. Create store. Oh, and then I need the actual store. Import store from store. And because it's in index.js, that will just be this file. No. What? Korocha, thank you for the Twitch Prime sub. It's very kind of you. Thank you. Oh yeah, you're right. It's Prime Gaming now. I hope Twitch doesn't come after me. I mean, it's still the same crown or whatever. At least I don't have to change my alerts. It's still got the Prime crown thingy. Oh no, this is right. So it's store ranks, and then ranks is importing this. So this is actually correct. So if I do store, oh, not there. If I do store, then I don't need any configuration. I think that's it. But now I need to wrap the store provider. So I do create store, store provider. And then when I render it, I wrap this all in store provider and provide the store as the thing. So this should give us access to our store, which is basically our sort of state. Well, it is our state. You know what I'm saying? And see if the site is still alive. No. Oh, I did a mistake over here. This shouldn't be like that. What? Oh, it's an object. I can't do this. No, I can. What do you want about? I think I'm not reading something correctly here. Oh. What? That's not right. Oh. I'm just missing a parentheses. Yikes. Let's see if that goes away. Yes, it does. Nice. I think we're still okay. We're still okay. Is the state there? Yes, we do have a ranks state. Check out our rank state. Andrew, what's up? Hello. How is it going? I got my states up. I didn't think I'd need it, but after some thought, I realized that I'd be trying to pass too much information in and out of components, so I think it's easier to just use a state so that every component has access to it. I think that makes a bit more sense. After some quack. After some quacking quack. Yeah, okay. So I'm basically gonna have to replace my reducer with that quack now. Look at what you made me do. This is going to be commented out. And instead of that, we're going to do something else. I don't know what yet. Use action. No, use store actions. Let me refer back to the documentation. Just a little bit of quack to get things going. Yeah. I think I do need to add that the earth quack, but it'll probably be something like 1 million channel points. Goose or Riot? Oh yeah, so we were just saying, I think it might be a fun exercise, maybe after this project, or I don't know, some other stream project, to make like a bar. Wait, let me get it. Gotta get that stank paint, yo. Paint, where you at? Like this. And then maybe have, actually no, not like that. It's a bit, this brush is a bit thick. Like this. And then maybe like this. And then have this side be the quack, the duck side. And then depending on which team you're on, the thing moves like this way or this way, and then whoever, it's like a tug of war with channel points, and we'll see Team Quack or Team Honk. I think that could be a fun thing to do. And then yeah, that'll be fun. How about a 0.05% chance to get a red quack? It could be the base boosted quack. Maybe not 500% quack. But something along those lines. A golden quack. How would that even sound? Maybe with sparkles. I guess that could work. A base boosted quack sounds like it could be kind of fun, right? Let's see. I don't know how this is going to sound, so you may want to brace yourselves. What would be the best one of this? Auto duck. We can make it an auto duck. I don't know what auto duck does. Oop, didn't want to do that. I guess amplify, right? Because that would be like... I'm gonna turn down the stream audio just so that I don't accidentally... Right, I'm gonna turn it down, hold on. Sounds like some kind of zipper. That's pretty brilliant. I'll have to play around with that. I have a compressor. At least you're protected then. Don't know if everyone has that luxury, unfortunately. I'm gonna be careful. Don't want anyone suing me for bleeding ears. Okay, so we have this something. Have you seen the boneless pizza memes? I think I have. They sound familiar, but... Mr. Rixer, thank you for the resub. You unlocked the CSS badge. Woo. Nessa, how's it going? I'm well, thank you. Hope you're having a great day. And or deep fried memes. Is this bonus pizza the one where it's like they're finding bones in everything? I don't know, it was something gross like that. I'm scared to look. Because I know there was this... actual... I think it was a real thing. Was wondering what the hierarchy was there. Oh, for the badges? I think right now it goes plain text file, HTML, CSS. I think it was, what's after that? PHP, I think? And then JavaScript at the end. Oh, the dad joke versus pizza. Gotcha. I don't know why I added that. I think that was just a test of the keywords at some point. I don't know. I'm good, just waking up. Well, good morning. I guess you must be PST? Is that right? It's 5 o'clock over here. 5:13. Mr. Ixer, thank you again for the sub. It's very kind of you. And you did see your badge, new badge unlock, so nice. It's just like stupid teenager type memes. I don't think I've seen them then, because the one I was thinking of was there was like a picture of a pizza and there was like bones sticking out of it, which is just terrifying. I don't think I'd enjoy pizza as much if there was the off chance that there would be bones in it. Oh, let's see. When he says bonus pizza in this video, you should make the red duck quack sound like it.
Bro, I'm dead ass hungry right now.
Volume warning, okay.
Yeah, pizza, what you want?
Let me get a boneless pizza.
Oh my
and
gosh.
2 liter of Coke.
Fuck kind of pizza? And 2 liter machine broke. We got 1 liter though.
Fuck you mean, B? Alright, look, let me get that pizza boneless.
Pizza don't got bone on it.
The fuck did I just say then?
You said let
This
me
is
get it
20.
boneless.
This is
Like,
peak
pizza got damn
2017.
bone in
I
it.
can see this
Y'all
being
got
made in
bones on the
2017.
shit then.
Nah.
So what's the problem?
Name one pizza.
It was
with
simpler
bone.
times back
Just
then.
don't put those shits in my pizza, bro. How many times I gotta say it?
Bro, just explain to me how the fuck pizza
It's getting louder and louder.
Is boneless.
Son, what school you go to?
Dog, I don't understand the problem. Just make my shit boneless. Deadass.
I'm dead ass now.
This is like something Barry would make. Barry makes memes like that. Yikes. Oh, like a bass boosted with an echo. I think I could achieve that. People could put chicken on pizza. There could be bones in that. Well, that's true, but I mean, this was just like not in the chicken. This was like in the crust, like bones in the crust. Like, where would those bones come from? Imagine if bread had bones. I think I've just created a terrifying vision of an alternate dimension where that's a thing. It's a gross looking picture. I think obviously it was staged. Someone made it, but wait, I don't know if people have seen the picture that I'm talking about. You see, boneless pizza. Okay, well, typing in boneless pizza comes up with the video that Andrew just sent. This picture. I think that's the one that I saw. That's the one I was thinking of. Yeah. I probably should have shown that on stream. I apologize. This is what happens when we get distracted. Okay. And how I need to somehow concentrate after seeing that image again. I can't see it, it's seared into the back of my head. Okay, wait. Use store actions. Actions. Yes. Const add rank equals use store actions. I can work through the quacks. Actions dot shoot, what would it be? Wait, I can do this. Console log actions, and we'll see what we get. Rank is not defined, delete rank is not defined. What? Oh, because of this. Add rank 2. Oh no, problems. But we do get this added. Here we go. Use store actions. So we got actions dot ranks dot add rank. So this would give us our add rank function, I think. And then we also have delete rank, which would be delete rank. And then we have use store state, is it? Yes. Const ranks equals use store state. It's really nice that it gives you like a whole example at the bottom here. I don't actually have to look at the documentation. State to-dos items. Interesting. Okay, so if I do state ranks. So that all of this is basically these 3 lines, and then I've abstracted it to other files as well. So it should perform exactly the same, or not. State is not iterable. Hang on. I think I know what's up. Should perform exactly the same, instantly gets an error. I think it's this. Oh, because it's state.ranks. State.ranks equals. Because state must be referring to all of this. State.ranks. There we go. Yeah, celebrating with duality. Each. Oh, that's okay. What? They do have an ID. Oh, because I haven't given it an ID. ID needs to be in the add rank function. So when I add the no. Where's my add rank function? Add rank. Rank. Add rank. Wait, what does my rank even look like? Rank. Shark, what's up? Development. Wait, I got this. I need an extra function that says handle add rank. Right? Because then this is where I generate the ID, and then this is where I dispatch it. So I can do add rank instead of dispatching. And then the rank is this. And then I can get rid of this. Just comment it out for now. There we go. And then I also need an extra one, which is handle delete rank, which is instead of dispatching, what I'll do is I'll do delete rank, and then it will be with the ID. And then instead of directly adding rank, because there's nothing to do here, I'll do handle add rank and handle delete rank. Now let's try again. Yay, no errors. We're all good. So that means I can get rid of this. That probably helps clean that up a bit. I'm kind of sad that I got rid of all of this stuff that I did last stream, but it's whatever. It was good practice anyway. I guess I could technically run delete rank just straight in here, but it's probably easier to keep them as separate functions. Quack, we're helping. You are. You're my rubber duck. Chat is my rubber duck. This is how I work on stuff. Have you ever used Faker.js? I have not. What is Faker.js? Is that like when you make... Does it generate fake data? I don't know why that's always my first thought. Oh, it is. Because I remember we were talking about something else. What was it? It was like... Oh, it was a mongoose function that was populate. And then I thought that gave you seeded data as well. It's extremely popular. Look at what the owner of the repo did. Can I be your latex doc? Yes, you can. I will permit that. Oh, I think I saw this. I saw a tweet about this. No more free work from Marek. Pay me or fork this. Respectfully, I'm no longer going to support Fortune 500 with my free work. Damn. Wow. I love how people are putting in memes in this as well. Open source developer. Fortune 500 company. Just starts it, leaves them to drown. Well, yeah, that should be the way. I mean, you're open source, you're not getting paid for it, you're doing all of this work, and giant companies are just taking your work and using it for free. and they're probably raising all these issues that he has to try and fix in his free time or whatever, or the community. Damn. I like that he opened it as an issue as well. Generate massive amounts of fake data. That is super cool, actually. Check it out. What? It even gives you pictures? Where are these images taken from? Are they just people who have submitted pictures, or I guess they can't be AI generated. That would just be insane. It would be technically possible to have a library that does that, or maybe have like a repository that does that in a backend that feeds it into this or something like that. That'd be pretty cool. Oh, wow. That's a lot. Wait, does this just copy it? Oh no. What's that for? Why can you click that? Oh, it's to generate another one, right? I wonder what the vehicle time. Does this just give you the current time? I think that's just... Oh yeah, time.recent. Gotcha. This is pretty neat. There's the lorem. Word, words, sentence, a slug, sentences, lines. DeToro, what's up? I'm well, thank you. How are you? Hopefully you're doing too well. I think the Discord was quiet today, so hopefully not too many people having issues. Ooh, company names. We could start a new company. Group, LLC and Sons. Catchphrase. Networked regional hub. Multi-layered heuristic encoding. Configurable motivating contingency. And their catchphrase is function based. There you go. Definitely very useful. Probably be using that in future projects. D&D character generator. You want a catchphrase? Wait, let me get the link again. We'll give you a catchphrase. Song is called Shroud's Beard, I guess. I don't know, I didn't see it. I know Harris's chat are responsible for basically 90% of the names. He does streams where he goes through and chat just names them. It's pretty fun, I guess. Okay, after I click this will be Shock Wellington's catchphrase. Optimized content-based core. Wow, that actually kind of works for a streamer. Optimized content-based core. And your adjective is... closed. Well, maybe that not so much, but there you go. Your buzzword is deploy. Optimized content-based core. Shrug. Yeah. If somebody asks what you're all about, like what your stream is all about, that's just pull that out. I think that works. To begin the Clone Wars. Oh no. Oh, slogan maker. It's 1023 slogans containing Shark Wellington. Shark Wellington leaves the rest behind. Be inspired by Shark Wellington. Grab life by the Shark Wellington. I think that one's maybe a bit too risque, but oh my god, that is a lot. I learned it by watching Shark Wellington. Shark Wellington keeps going and going and going. Shark Wellington, forget the rest. This is actually, I mean, this is probably not intended for this use, but our Shark Wellington will give you softer skin. The age of Shark Wellington. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Shark Wellington, you know you want it. I can't tell if this slogan is intended to say to be directed at Shark Wellington or to be directed at everyone else telling them that they want a Shark Wellington. I guess it could be both. Shark Wellington strikes back. I don't know if any company would actually use something like that, but it works both ways. Sticking in the Shark Wellington. Yikes. That's a sight. That is a site that I am going to be using for whatever next project I come up with. I don't know. Maybe I'll use it on this. I guess it doesn't really work, but one can dream. Okay. I actually need to make progress with this, otherwise I won't have achieved anything this stream. Actually, no, I did achieve something. I got the state implemented and I switched over the reducer to easy peasy. So that is an achievement. But I want to at least get the generator working. So now that we have access to the state, we should be able to get our rank data from anywhere within the project. We don't need to necessarily say, oh, do this or something. So actually, oh no, I can leave the delete rank here still. Or should I take it out? I don't know. No, I'll leave it together. It's kind of nice having handle add rank and handle delete rank together, because then I can find them with each other. But the advantage of having the state in a separate location is that I can go into the ranks row component and then have my delete rank function be here instead of passing the function in as a prop, which I'm currently doing. But I think I want to keep my rank state functions together here. Would be easier. But that means that now in app I can access the rank. I'm saying rank a lot, but that's because this is kind of what the project is about. So yeah, that's all I have to say about that. Use store state. Const ranks equals use store state ranks, no, state dot ranks. So now I have access to my ranks up here, which I didn't before because the rank stuff I was doing inside the component. But now I can feed that back up to here. So what I can do is generate the thingy thing. So when I click generate, let me just log what ranks is. Handle generate console log ranks, and then when we click the generate button, we should handle generate. Rankety rank. I want to be the most rank out of anybody. We can give Shark Wellington their own rank. Why not? We'll make it exactly 69 points for that rank, which I guess you probably will have already gone over. Ta-da! If I add other ranks, you've got 3. And then if I add more, we've got 7. Yay! Wait, now I need to delete them, and then if I click generate, there's only 2. There's only 1. I don't know if it'll catch the data that I'm putting in. Let's test it. Rock heart 420. Generate. No, I haven't passed that data in yet. Okay, that's fine. We'll do that now so that I don't forget. Nice. So ranks row. Okay, this is where I need to do use store state. So, oh no, not use store state, just use state. This will keep us in sync with the data that we're putting in. So it'll be name, set name equals use state. The default will just be an empty string. The number will be points, set points, and the default will be just 0. And I think that's all we need. So on the name, we'll do value is name. And points will be value points. And then we also need a function to handle the input. So I can do const handle input name. Or should I just do handle name? I'll just say handle name. So when we handle the name, we have the event, and then I just do set name e target value, and then same for the points. I do handle points set points e target value. And then when we input this, so on input handle points, and same for this one, on input handle name. So we can check that as well. I'll just make a separate button here, and then we'll just check that it's working. So we'll just say check, and then I'll just make an anonymous function here, console log name and points, and then we'll just see if that's working. Something's wrong. Identify name has already been declared. Oh, because I'm passing in name. Oh, so I don't need to do that. Yeah, I was just testing that. Okay, so if I go check empty string and 0, if I do rock hard and 420, hey, there we go. So we got those values. They're being stored, and I think I should be able to now pass them up again. Let me delete the name prop because I don't need that anymore. That should be somewhere here. Okay, so we've got the input. I can get rid of this. That was just to check it. Okay, so now I need to get the name as part of the... that could be interesting. Okay. So how do I get the name as part of the rank? Let me think about this. We're keeping track of the name and the points here. But I want to also be able to see that in this scope where I click generate. So I think I need to, well, do I need to add? No, that doesn't make sense. Huh. Bad Merc, what's up? Just got here. What are you working on? So currently I'm working on a rank system for Stream Elements people. So when you type in !rank in the chat, it gives you a rank depending on how many points you have. I guess it doesn't have to just be Stream Elements. It could be any system that has a point system. Obviously, you wouldn't be able to use it with channel points because that's a whole other thing that I don't think there's even any part of the API that can see how many channel points a user has, unfortunately. So that wouldn't be a thing, but Stream Elements, points, I guess CloudBot, Streamlabs CloudBot. I don't know if they have a point system on their CloudBot, but that would be a thing if they don't already have a rank system. But yeah, so I've actually made the API already, the custom API, but I now need to be able to make a site so that people would use it. Can you check someone else's rank? It depends. Can you check someone else's points? Can you do points and then the firewire? Does that give me... Because if so, I can just edit the command to pass in the name and points of another person. Oh, did it? Could you maybe have the points cause the bot to send a command to itself? Oh, that is my points. Oh, okay. So it's just the name. I can just edit that in the command then. How do you mean by send a command to itself? Unfortunately, I don't think Stream Elements can respond to itself, as in, like, it can't trigger itself with another command. It used to be that if you had a custom bot name, you could do it, because it wouldn't recognize itself being the name. Oh, I thought we were talking... Oh, no, just the Stream Elements loyalty. Unfortunately, there isn't an API for seeing how many channel points someone has. That would probably... Even if that became a thing, I think it would be locked behind authentication. And it's obviously not practical to have every single person in your channel go to a website and click authorize in order for them to see their rank or whatever. So I don't think that would be a thing, sadly. Let me edit the command. Rank. Oh, I forgot you can do next rank as well. I forgot that I implemented that. If you do exclamation next rank, as in one word, it tells you how close you are to your next rank. Interesting. I've worked on this like a whole year ago, so I kind of forgot all the stuff that I added to it. Oh, I think there might be a cooldown. Try again in... Oh yeah, there's a 15-second cooldown. Sender. Oh, it's sender, so it needs to be... What does it need to be? I think it needs to be user. There we go. Yogurt, what's up? How are you? How's life? Life is good. How's your life? You could just be like all the other Twitch bots and just automatically collect everyone's data and make an obscure opt-out. Oh, I'm sure everyone would love that. It could be the next Commander Root. No. Commander Root he's collected a lot of data, but I guess he's done some pretty awesome stuff with it as well. He does, at least he's like public facing. He makes a lot of Twitch tools for everyone that everyone could see. I mean, when you connect to chat, you can kind of see all the other bots there are. There's like a whole ton. If you think there's bots in your chat, those are just the ones that you can see, like connected to chat. But technically, you don't even need an identity or an account to connect to a chat. So there's actually, I don't know, maybe 10 to 20 other bots that could be lurking in your chat at any one time that you can't see. Which is a pretty creepy thought when you think about it. And they're probably collecting some kind of data, and you can't really ban them, I guess, because they just connected anonymously. It's the same thing of when you are watching someone stream from incognito. Like, you can still see the chat, so you're connected to the chat, you're just not logged in. If I wanted to get into coding, where should I start? You could probably start with reading up on like just the basics of HTML and CSS, and you probably don't need JavaScript just yet. It doesn't hurt to look at it, but HTML and CSS are probably the best places to start with at first, just so you could see an idea of how something would be structured and styled. Then when you want to start looking at functionality, JavaScript would be the next place. W3 schools, I know a lot of people recommend for HTML and CSS, which I guess that works. HTML and CSS don't change all that much, so that would be okay. But then I think definitely for the JavaScript, I would probably recommend something like the MDN Mozilla documentation, because that's always kept up to date. And a lot of the W3 schools JavaScript related stuff is outdated, or like it's probably better to learn the newer versions of JavaScript because it'll give you an advantage in the modern tech world. Learning more and more coding. At the moment, making a script for After Effects. Nice. That's pretty cool. Yeah, After Effects scripting is something else. I did like a tiny bit when I was doing After Effects back in ages ago, when I was more into sort of the graphic design and video editing type phase. Like all the sort of custom expressions that was on it, I think. I don't know if that's exactly what you're doing, but I thought those were pretty interesting. But coding in that tiny little box was annoying. I guess if I were to do it again now, I could probably do it in VS Code. There's probably plugins for making it look nicer and everything. I've blocked every bot I've found to block on the internet. Nice. You haven't blocked the fire bot just yet, Kappa. I don't think you've seen the Firebot yet. Sometimes I connect it to random people. Not random people. Sometimes I just connect it to people's chat to troll. But I haven't used it in a while. I don't know if it still works. Maybe. This bot logging all chat history. One way to open a chat window in Chatterino. You see the backlog. If you... right. That's... Actually, I won't go into that just yet. That is something I've been interested in. Not chat logging, not at least live chat logging, but there is something else there. We'll have to see. Monspy, how's it going? What's that framework? This is React. Doing some lovely React. Right now I haven't done any styling to this whatsoever, so it's all very default looking. I'm just getting the functionality in at the moment, and then we'll focus on making it look a bit nicer when we're ready, I guess. But yeah, I wanted to get all the functionality done first, or at least the majority of it, because that's probably more important at the moment. What about Drunkbot? Oh yeah, so Rockhot had the amazing idea of instead of Stay Hydrated bot, which, what happened to that, by the way? Because it's like disappeared from the internet. I haven't seen it in any channels for a while. I don't know if they got requested to remove it, or if it was... What happened to that? What happened to Stay Hydrated bot? It's weird. I need to get into Python since Cisco is going that way. Ah, gotcha. Yeah, Python's also awesome. You can do a lot of stuff with Python. I had to use it for my final dissertation because it was data science-y, and Python is like perfect for data science. So yeah, there's a lot of good money in that language. You look familiar. Alkaheist. I keep forgetting you changed your name from Alkabeast. I still don't know why. The H and the B kind of look the same, apart from you're missing the bottom, like, line, I guess. It's confusing as heck. But yeah, how you doing? Floating window. Oh, for like scripting? Nice. Yeah, there was no syntax highlighting or anything. It was just like a text box that was embedded, so it was kind of not great. Found this site, documentations with devdocs.io. Have you heard about it? Doesn't sound familiar. Let me see. I don't think I've seen this before, no. But I do remember seeing there was an image of like all the types of things that like areas in development that a full stack developer could end up working, like all the different tech, which was pretty cool. I can't remember where that image was now though. I don't know if it's on this. Maybe I have it bookmarked. Let me see. It's here somewhere. I remember bookmark it. Maybe it was on my old laptop. I don't know. Alistair, what's up? How are you doing? Yes, back to the dev streams, or trying to at least. My machine learning folder that I put in all of my machine learning stuff in. No, I can't find it. That's sad. I thought I did bookmark it. Oh well. I'm sure I'll find it again. Looks on par with my CSS styling. Well, to be fair, it came with some default CSS styling, so that's not my styling. I mean, you can probably tell because the text boxes aren't styled up, but this background and the way it's centered and everything is all provided for me. Oh, a lot of people banned it. Oh, I see. Probably flagged something on Twitch's side. What's a good starter project for Python? It depends what you want to use Python for. If you just mean in terms of learning Python, try looking for Python katas. I think that's a thing. Let me check. It's the quacking. I don't know if this is a good one, but they're basically like maybe Python exercises or like things that you can do to more familiarize yourself with the language and stuff in it. That's how I kind of learned more of the ES6 JavaScript, which is kind of the newer capabilities of what JavaScript can do. I just got a phone call. I would try looking at Python katas. I was looking at this site. I don't think this would be maybe what you're looking for, but it says easy Python katas. I don't know if these are easy. Basically, katas are sort of like these exercises. Make a square box. I don't know. Maybe if you kind of just want to familiarize yourself more with Python, checking out Python exercises would be a good step. And then, I don't know, make something like a mini Python chatbot. That could be fun. Make a... Yeah, because you can use Python for like Twitch chatbots. I know some people do. I know Streamlabs chatbot uses Python scripts, which is pretty cool. Could always venture into making your own custom scripts. Oh wait, no, you're a StreamElements user. That's right. So you don't have any Streamlabs stuff. That would be a bad suggestion then. Frasley, how's it going? Oh, here I am. I was just saying, if you kind of want to familiarize yourself more with Python as a language as a whole, then maybe Python exercises online. If you do a search for Python exercises, you can do things like playing around with variables, string concatenation, so learning how to manipulate strings, how dictionaries work, functions and scope and making a class and that kind of thing. All the nice stuff that can help you work towards bigger projects as a whole. And then maybe as a bigger project you could do, making a bot. So not making a bot from scratch. I think there's a Python library for connecting to Twitch chat, like anonymously, like we were talking about earlier. And then all you would need to do is write your own stuff for making commands and things. So like detecting when a message is sent that's got a exclamation mark in front, because then you know it's a command. And then detecting what the command is and then running a function when that command is sent, that kind of thing. So yeah, the string manipulation thing would come in helpful there, if you got that under your belt. And then you could take that further if you wanted. Let me catch up on chat. I should change my name too. Well, I only just got used to saying it. It's yogurt. I keep wanting to say Jugurt or something. So judgy. How did people even know that much? I just remember you used to be called Alka Beast, and then you changed your name. I don't know if it was to aggravate me or if you needed to change it, but... Site seems useful. Never used it. I don't think I have either, but it does seem useful. Like a collection of just everything. You probably want to see how regularly updated it is and all that, but yeah. Otherwise it looks pretty useful. What am I working on? I'm working on a loyalty chat rank system. Well, not loyalty, but well, yes, loyalty, but not like I'm making my own loyalty system. Basically, I'm just adding the ability to have chat ranks for StreamElements users, so that when you do exclamation rank, it gives you a rank depending on the point threshold you set. So if you do exclamation rank at the moment, the custom API is there, but unfortunately it's a bit of a hassle to implement for people. Like, you kind of have to construct the URL by yourself, which is not very user friendly. So I'm working on making a tiny little tool. I'll probably go under overlays.thefirewire tools, I guess. It goes under tools instead of widgets, for generating that link. And then, yeah. So that's what I'm working on. How much am I allowed to poke you with questions? I'm not the best at Python. You can try though. I think I remember the majority of the OOP stuff from when I was using Python, but I haven't used it in a while, so you can try. I'll try my best to answer. Okay, so I want to at least get this generate bit done. Because then we can maybe do styling next stream or something like that. I don't know yet. Rank. So guest, and then what would be the next one? Maybe citizen. So I want to be able to say, when I click generate, it has guest and citizen in the name, but that's not registering currently, so that's what I need to fix now. So maybe I'll do that first, and then maybe we'll call the stream there. I don't know yet. Let's see. So I've got my use state, handle name and handle points when I input into text. And then when I click the button for the delete button, it deletes it. So that's all working as normal. And then, okay, so this is where it gets complicated. I want to add I need that to be registering into the state. How could I do that though? If nothing else, I might just ask for conceptual guidance, setting up the right things. Oh, right, yeah. Gotcha. Oh. If you don't want to set up things locally, check out Google Colab. It's what I used for my project. It's basically a cloud thing for running things in what are called Jupyter Notebooks, which are really great for debugging. It's free to use, I believe. Yeah. And it gives you Python stuff. It's this Colab. And you can get into machine learning and all of this data sciencey stuff. And there's like this Python scripts, yeah. So if you go through that, that would probably be pretty useful. And you've got nothing to set up on your own PC because everything's already set up on Colab, which is pretty neat. It's very useful. Okay, guest citizen. So I think when I type it in, I need to update. I need a function on the state that updates it in the state at the same time. So if I go back to my ranks.js, if I go update rank action, state rank. Rank can be an object of ID and text. So I can do state.ranks How do I want to update it? I think I can edit it in place. I don't know if I should do that because I kind of want to keep it as though I'm not, but well, let's just edit it in place and see what happens. So I can do state.ranks. If I do if state.ranks, hang on, const index equals state.ranks find index. So I'll find the index where the rank ID. If I deconstruct this into ID and name and points, and then I do, if I do update rank name, that might be better actually. And then I do rank ID equals ID. So this will be the index. If the index is -1, which means it doesn't exist, then just return. Otherwise, I go state.ranks index equals I do object assign the target, which will be state.ranks index, and then I want to merge in the name. I think that works. You can give it a go. So in ranks.row, I want to do import use state from easy peasy use store actions. And then I go const update rank equals use store actions actions dot ranks update rank. So this will be the function that we need, and then what I do is on input, actually this needs to go up, set name. I also want to do update rank. This will update it in the state with the ID. How do I do that? Oh, I've got access to ID up here. So all I need to do is ID and then e.target.value. Oh, this will be name. So if that all works as intended, then typing in the thing should get that Maybe I should do that on blur instead of, that would be better. Doesn't seem like that works. Hold on. Update rank. Oh, update rank name. Forgot. So we update rank name, update rank name, update rank name. Let's try that again. So add guest generate. Cool. Got it. We can see guest in the thing there. But I think actually I don't want to do that on input. I think I want to do this in blur. So if I do const handle update name, handle name blur, maybe? Let's just check if I get the values from that. On input on blur, handle name blur. Yes, so as soon as I leave this text box, it gives that. So I don't need to do it every time as soon as I click generate, that will all run anyway, so that's fine. So I can do that. I don't need to do it every time I'm typing the thing in. And the name doesn't need to be, oh, the name can be just name. I could do points as well actually. So it doesn't need to be handle rank, it could be handle update rank. Update handle update. That sounds better. And then on blur handle update. So we update rank and then also got points as well. This looks a lot more sensible. So we update rank, and then what I do over here is make this update rank and doing points as well. There we go. So guest, whoops, it's not what I wanted. Mr. Boost, what's up? How are you, sir? Why? Oh, let me refresh. Update rank is not a function. I beg to differ. It's right there. Oh, I wrote in handle. Wait. Update rank. Ranks, update rank. Handle points, on blur, handle update. Oh, so it was just lagged, I guess. Yay! Oh no, I need to convert points to an integer. Okay. I'm good. playing around with a thing called Electron. Nice. Electron is pretty awesome. I think that's the one, yeah, the desktop apps with just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can make some pretty awesome stuff with that. So yeah, it's pretty cool that we can actually do that instead of, well, needing like those other languages, C# and C++ and everything. I think Discord, yeah, Discord is Electron, and so is a lot of Streamlabs. So Streamlabs chatbot is, I think, is Streamlabs chatbot? No, Streamlabs chatbot is C#, I think, but Streamlabs OBS is Electron. That's right. I'm about to smash it? Oh no, why? Is it not playing nice? Set points. Oh, here we go. So if I do pass int, there we go. See if that works. $5,000. Yay! Now we got that as an integer. So if I go add overlord 100. Cool. I think what I'll do is when I click generate, I'll just filter out the ones that have empty empty rank name. That kind of makes sense to me. Handle generate. So where do I want to do that? I'm working with a SoundCloud app I grabbed off GitHub. Works great, but I can't for the life of me get it to write info to a file. Let's see. Electron is Node, so what you'll want to do is just use FS, I believe. So FS, I think is it write to file or write async write to file or something like that. I feel like it's a permission issue. I don't recall bumping into that. It could be. I mean, I haven't done it with a Electron app before. Is there nothing that you could find on Stack Overflow? I imagine Electron's pretty widely used, so. If I open as admin, text file will get made, but app won't start. Ah. Interesting. Not sure what that could be. I've been doing a bunch of C# recently, so I can only really think in terms of C# apps. Is there a thing, SoundCloud thing for C#? Because then I'd probably be able to help better. I don't know. Yeah, I guess maybe just keep logging, see if there's anything that comes up. If you maybe try catch and try and see if you can catch any errors that are happening. How do I want to generate this though? This thing is really cool though. I like it. Nice. Yeah, I saw I think you were working on is it now playing for Spotify? No, not Spotify. SoundCloud. Yeah, that looks pretty awesome. So I'm excited to see what you're able to achieve with the SoundCloud thing. I was just trying to think because I can't remember the last time I used Snip, but I was pretty sure they had a SoundCloud option on that, didn't they? Or did they take it out? I think it was SoundCloud and Spotify. Or maybe they took that out. Maybe it's just Spotify now. Generate rank. Generate URL. I think I only need the state. I think. Let me just filter ranks. State. Wish there was a way to compile this CRUD in Visual Studio rather than using CMD. You can use npm scripts. How are you compiling it at the moment? What's the command? Because if it's the way that I'm remembering, as in it's like npm run build or something, then you should be able to do that from VS Code. npx electron forward CLI import. Yeah, if you turn that into a script, then just run that script. So if you go to your package JSON, do something like build and then do your command like npx or npm run make, or is it like those two after each other? I think if you wanted to do two after each other, you do something like your command thingy, and then it's either 2 ampersands or 1 ampersand, I can't remember. But then after you do that, in Visual Studio, you can go down to Visual Studio Code, npm scripts, and then it will load whatever scripts you've got in your package JSON, and then you can just click the thing to run that script, which is pretty useful. I think you can. There used to be a play button next to the actual script itself, but yeah, that thing. So you can run the script from there, which is pretty awesome. No worries, always happy to help. Let's see. I need to go get food in a bit, so I need to see if I can actually get this implemented, and then yeah, I'll go get something to eat. Filter ranks. Okay, so what I just want to do is filter out the non-existent ranks. Then next stream, I think I'll try and generate the URL. So if I do state.ranks equals state.ranks filter rank dot name doesn't. Oh, that's something else I need to implement. I need to trim handle name. So on blur, I think what I want to do is Set name dot trim. That makes sense. Then I'll do rank dot name dot length greater than 0. And now filter out all the blank ranks. I think. Let's try it. Let me refresh. Test. No. Oh, because I'm not actually running filter ranks. Hold on. Use store actions. Const ranks. No, const filter ranks equals use store actions. Actions ranks filter ranks. And then when I generate, do run filter ranks. Perfect. Test. Nice. Gets rid of our blank ranks. If I've got a whole bunch of spaces in there, that shouldn't count either. Oh, it does? Why? Why is it doing that? I guess I could trim here as well. Let's try that again. Let me refresh this in case. Oh, well that got rid of it. Cool. Don't need this then. That seems to all work. I don't know if I want to try adding the point sorting now or if I should do that later. Oh. Maybe I'll do that just now and then. I guess I probably shouldn't take that long. That's weird. Why does it still say... Oh. Wait, what? State.ranks. Why is it not updating? It says there's 2. Now it says there's 1. Huh. Interesting. That's fine. I'll I mean, it's only console logging, so I don't think that's... I don't think I need to make that async or anything like that. Let's see if I can do the sort though while I'm here. Filter ranks. Okay, so I've done that, and then so I've filtered out all the ones that are not there. Then if I do sort by their points, so A dot points greater than A B dot points. See what that gets us. One, two, three. 500. Cool, you sorted them. Pretty sure you're supposed to get 10 points per 5 minutes, but I haven't seen any points in a while. Oh, do you mean channel points? Oh, that's odd. Maybe the point system is down? I know they had a outage like a few weeks ago. Well, I got the sorting added pretty quickly. There we go. That would be weird considering I'm getting points on other streams I have it on the background. Huh. How many are you in? Maybe it's the same thing as with the viewer count where you I know Twitch introduced something a while ago where it's like you don't count as a viewer if you're in too many streams, so maybe you can't earn points in some channels if you're connected to too many channels. That would be pretty lame, but I could definitely see Twitch making that a thing. I think what I'll do here is end stream. Because I got what I wanted working, and yeah, making good progress on this. I'll need to add in some sanitization and all that stuff. But yeah, we'll have to I'll have to get that in another stream. We'll see if that's still the case. Mr. Ixer, I only have 9 stream pages open. 2 of those are live. I'm not sure. I don't think it would be anything that I'm controlling. I haven't done anything to the stream points or anything. You might need to refresh. Maybe you've had this page open too long. But yeah, I'm gonna shoot off, and hopefully everyone has a great rest of their evening. The Mixer chat on the Firefox taskbar. Yeah. I should probably get rid of it, but I'm kind of used to seeing it there now. That was during my brief run with Mixer when I got Triggerfire integrated with Mixer. And now I didn't spend ages on it, but I did spend like a chunk of time getting the authorization and chat set up. And now I've had to sort of unpick that from everything that I've added it to, which is a bit annoying, but oh well. Yeah. Well, catch you guys probably tomorrow. I'm probably not going to stream later. I'm too tired for portaling. So, yeah, I'll catch you next time. See you.